Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something truly special for all you tabletop gaming enthusiasts out there. Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure with the best arcade adventure game in the market, the Hasbro Gaming Avalon Hill HeroQuest game system. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the details, let's take a look at what you'll get with this fantastic game. The HeroQuest game system comes with a variety of components that are sure to enhance your gaming experience. First off, we have the beautifully illustrated game board that sets the stage for your epic quests. And speaking of epic, check out these highly detailed miniatures, featuring heroes like Barbarian, Dwarf, Elf, and Wizard. But that's not all. HeroQuest also includes over 90 beautifully illustrated cards, adding depth and excitement to your gameplay. These cards depict everything from lost treasures to hideous monsters. It's like stepping into a fantasy world. Now, what truly sets HeroQuest apart is its immersive storytelling. The included quest book guides you through a series of interconnected scenarios, each with unique challenges and surprises. Plus, one player gets to be the game master, adding dynamic storytelling and unexpected twists to the game. With its sturdy construction, easy-to-learn rules, and strategic depth, HeroQuest offers endless hours of thrilling gameplay. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the hobby, this game is an absolute must-have. But wait, there's more. HeroQuest offers limitless replayability. With multiple quests, branching paths, and alternative outcomes, you'll never get tired of playing. And if that's not enough, there are expansion packs and user-generated content to keep the adventures going. Oh, and did I mention there's a companion app? The HeroQuest app lets you play solo or with friends, with the app taking on the role of the Dungeon Master. It's a game changer. For those of you who remember the original HeroQuest from the 80s and 90s, this is a nostalgic trip down memory lane. And for newcomers, it's a chance to experience a classic in a whole new way. In conclusion, the Hasbro Gaming Avalon Hill HeroQuest game system is the best arcade adventure game on the market today. With its stunning components, immersive storytelling, and endless replayability, it's a game that belongs in every tabletop gamer's collection. So, if you're ready for a legendary adventure filled with dungeons, monsters, and treasure, click the link in the description to get your hands on the HeroQuest game system right now. Don't miss out on the chance to create unforgettable memories with friends and family. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. And if you've already played HeroQuest, share your adventures in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring amazing products like this one.